Hey everybody, Bill Diet, and here we are for the September Alien 3D UFO box. So I'm a little excited. I haven't opened this, and I've had it for a few days. I just haven't had time. I finally got the time. I'm going to take care of it now, and we'll open it up, and we'll see what the deal is for the month. I really like Josh's boxes. They're always creative. The outside, everything he does is pretty creative. I'm really excited by what he does. So here we got a little sticker for the alien ooze. He says ooze is in his veins. And then we got our little brochure. End of summer, in holidays, and then it gives you the link to the website for the project, which I will open up here in a minute. A couple of mini stoop waffles. Let's see, it looks like a USB cable to a mini HDMI. We got some kind of little board here, electronic board of some sort. I don't know exactly what it is, but I'll find out. It's probably part of the project. We have another little bunch of components, another little board, and some little connectors in it. Single row SIP connectors, single inline package SIP. A ribbon for some reason, I'm not sure exactly why. And we got a sticker of that same ribbon, basically. And let's see, then we got some kind of box here inside the box, a box in the box. Dial indicator. Oh, so this is for like measuring the height of something. So you can actually, I've seen people mount these on their printers to do their bed leveling. So I mean, that might be something to try. Maybe that's part of what the deal is for the month. I don't know. But that's a cool little thing to have. So I'm not sure if anybody knows how these things work. I've played with these before. I've played with a lot of different things before in the work that I do over the last 40 years. So basically, it's got a dial that you can zero. Let's see if I can zero it here. No. So I have to figure out how to zero it. So right now it's not zeroed. I'm not sure how to zero this one. I have to read the instructions or find something on how to zero it. Right now it's showing 80, but so what you do is basically as it pushes down on this, it moves it up and down, which moves move this camera down so you can see it a little better maybe. So as you push on this thing, it moves the dial, and that tells you how far, what the motion is, how far it is that it's moved. So if you're going to mount this, make a mount for this and put it on your printer where your hot end is, you could use this to set your level of your bed at different locations. And so you can sit there on your bed and you just go and probe a spot, and then probe another spot, and probe another spot, and probe another spot, and you just keep doing that. And you can get all the measurements for your printer bed. And you write them all down. Then you could, if you want, I guess if you had the software yourself, you could do it. Some people complained about the little kink on the end of the filament spools this month, or the samples. That's from Josh's winding machine, so it's not a big deal. You can unkink that fairly easily, and I wouldn't worry about it, in my personal opinion. So anyway, this is from 3D Universe. It's neon orange PLA. It gives you the printing temperatures of 190 to 230 C and bed temperatures, which really for PLA, you really don't need bed temperatures, but 60 to 70 C is what they recommend for their filament. And then next sample we have is from COEX, C-O-E-X, it looks like. Lilac purple PLA, 215 to 235 C for the printing, and 0 to 60 for the bed temperature. Then we have some filament 1, looks like the lint gray, which I have a big roll of this because I get the filament 1 box also every month, which should be coming any day now. So there's the filament 1 lint gray PLA, the Pro Select 205 to 225 C and 55 to 65 C for the bed. And then we have the Fibrology, wolfworks3d.com. Yellow Impact PLA, their recommended temperatures are 220 to 240 C and 50 to 70 C for the bed temperature. And let's see, we have another sticker inside, which is the Profi box, which I said I just talked about. I have a subscription for that, which I said should be arriving any day now. And then there is a safety pin inside the box also. Not sure what that's for yet, but it's probably part of the project. And now I'll put everything back in the box. And I will go to the website and we will see what the project is. I'm actually excited to see what it is. I need to start printing more stuff on my other printers. I've been playing with my resin printer lately. My Spark Maker. So I printed, I forgot the name of the character, but it's like the mad scientist for atomic filament, the mascot that Chelsea made, which is CHELSC, I think it is. CHEL, maybe it's just CHELC 423 on the Twitter page. But this is the character. I printed them on my little resin printer. So it came out reasonably good. I think I overexposed it a little bit, which lost some of the detail in it. I reprinted it again, but I need to bring that inside actually. I set it outside in the sun. After I cleaned it, I removed the support, I cleaned it in alcohol, and I put it out in the sun to harden. But I need to bring it in because it's no longer sunny outside, it's now dark, or close to dark. Okay, so all the electronics back in here, and then we'll go to the web page here. I will hide my videos so that we can see my desktop, and close this Norton crap out of my way here. And then we'll go to, let's see, HTTPS, and // I might have the slashes backwards. I always get the slashes backwards on these things. Oh, I got it right. www.alien3d.us/UFO 015. That means 15th project for UFO boxes. And I hope I got that right. We'll see in a minute. And we open up. And September UFO contents. It tells you the contents. So for the mother box this month, they got a octo print, the Easy Pi or octo print. Looks like it's TH3D. I figured that. That's what I bought. It seems a little slow because I have some problems where it actually causes layer shifting on mine. I am going to see about upgrading it to the Pi 4 now. I have a Pi 4 board which I bought, and I think I can just plug the SD card, which has all the software on it, into it, and hopefully that will make it work. Hopefully the code is compatible. It should be, because I believe it's just running on a Unix platform. So I think it's not, and it's running C, I believe. So I don't think it should be a problem. Let's see, so 3D universe, we already talked about that, already showed all the filaments. Josh's little mascot alien. Let's see, bonus accessories. So we have a dial indicator, like we talked about. And right here they even show you where the guy had it mounted on his print bed, on his printer. And a quick little video. I don't know how long this video is. It's 12 minutes. I don't want to go 12 minutes.
DIY3DTech.com. In this episode, we're going to take a few minutes
Looks like you put a magnetic plate on the side to hold his
utilizing a dial indicator to set up the bed. So I
I'm not going to go through the video. If you want to go to it, you can go to the web page. It's listed right here on the video. You can see it right there. I'll expand this so it fills the whole page there. That way you can read a little bit clearer, a little bit easier to see. You can buy these on Amazon, obviously. Let's see. Anyway, we're going to go on here. Let's see what the other thing is. So obviously it's some kind of timer, printing time. So I guess you can time how long you've been printing. Great. Most of your software now shows that on your printers, but at least mine does. I don't know about all of them. They show at least the amount of time it's been printing not necessarily an estimate of how long it will take to finish printing. But anyway, so that's probably what the kit is. So it's a mini Wi-Fi 3D print monitor for Octoprint. Okay, so I have Octoprint, so that I can do that. Like I said, but I need to update mine. I think like I said, it's just a little on the slow side. Like they causing layer shifts. I've talked to other people, they say they don't have that problem, but I am. So it's what it is. Anyway, that's the UFO box for the month. And the project shown there, which is a little timer. So that pretty much covers us for this month. I'm going to raise my camera back up to me again. And so that's it for the month. This is Bill Diet, or Build It, signing off. I keep saying Bill Diet because that's the way it's spelled. But I wanted it to be Build It. So B-I-L-D-I-T, but Build It. Anyway, so that's it. We'll see you next month. Have a great one, and may all your prints come out great. Have a great later. Bye.